everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. In today's video, I am going to be doing a ring pour. I have got my quad split cup here and I haven't done one in so long, so I'm super excited. But before I get started to tell you all the paints and stuff, I just want to give a quick shout out to one of my subscribers and followers, 𝗠𝑑𝗠𝐿𝐵𝐿𝐿𝐿. She sent me some money, made a donation through PayPal to my channel, and I was so super appreciative. And then she also sent me this beautiful fragrant reed diffuser. Oh my god, it's black cherry and it smells amazing. So I thank you so much. It was such a thoughtful gift. It's going here in my studio, and it smells amazing in here. So thank you again. So on to the painting. Now the colors that I have got today are some of my favorites. This one is Mineral Blue from Soho Urban Artist. I'm sure you've heard me mention that one before. It's my favorite blue. And then Peacock Pearl from DecoArt, Dazzling Metallics. Love this one as well. And then Bronze, and I have not used this one in so long, but I love the bronze. It's Extreme Sheen from DecoArt. The DecoArt Americana bronze is also fabulous. And then I've got White Pearl, which I used to use all the time. That one is from FolkArt. And I started, doing some other things, so I'm not putting these on yet. And I kind of haven't used it in a while, so I thought, why not give it a go here? Add it to my split cup. So, get the caps off here. And for those of you that are new to my channel, this split cup was designed by me. It's available in my Etsy shop along with all of my other acrylic pouring tools. It has the 4 chambers, and it has the no drip spout, which is the original no drip spout. Does not drip down the front of your cup. You can watch the paint come right out. That way you don't have to look underneath it to see where your paint is and possibly have it drip off of here. So this went through a lot of testing before we got this design, and I am super happy with it. So you can check out my link in my description to my Etsy shop and check out all of my acrylic pouring tools. So we are on to adding the paint, and I've got, let's see, my order here. I think I'm going to do it like that. Actually, maybe do it. I had a way, now I'm not sure. I keep switching. All right, I'm going to start with the Mineral Blue on the outside. And fill that up, and actually I think I'm going to take the cap off. It's a little bit easier. Less time consuming, I guess, because that could take a minute trying to squirt all of that in there. Alright, and now I will go with the bronze. And I love the DecoArt bronze. It's really one of my favorites, along with the 24 karat gold. Really, all of their Americana line is just really amazing, actually. So, all of their metallics are wonderful. Okay, so I'm not sure if I've got quite enough. Ooh, this one's going to be close. This is the Peacock Pearl. I'm going to have to make more of this one. And all of my paints are mixed with my pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, oops, got on the other side, Golden GAC800, and some water. Now, most of them are mixed at a ratio of 1 part paint to 2 to 3 parts pouring medium. It depends on what brand of paint, what kind of paint. From a craft paint to a heavy body, it makes, that makes a difference on the amount of pouring medium you need. So if you're new, I always suggest, even if you're not new, because I do it still too, and I've been doing this for, geez, almost 5 years. You start out with a ratio of 1 to 1. 1:1 every time. It usually, and then you can write it down. And even sometimes colors that I know the ratio, I get a different bottle, different tub or tube, and the consistency is still a little off. So, you know, sometimes you have to just play around with it and find out what consistency works for you, especially for different techniques. All right, so enough of that. I am going to go ahead and get started. Here we go with the dried photos, and I'm really happy with the dried result. I love the way the white pearl blended with the other colors. They look super, super soft. I got some really nice defined lines as well. I hadn't done a split cut pour in a while, so again, I'm really happy with the results, and I would love to hear what you guys think, so make sure to leave me a comment below. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, now is a great time to do that. And don't forget to click the notification bell, that way you're notified when I upload new videos. And if there's someone you think may enjoy it, go ahead and share it with them as well. And if you liked the split cup that you saw me use in today's video, go check out acrylicpouringtools.com. You'll find it there, along with all of my other acrylic pouring tools. All right, everybody, I do hope you enjoyed my video today, and I've got a bunch more videos I know you will enjoy as well, and I will catch you in the next one.